everyone. I DVS Swati welcomes you all to my DVS Swati channel. Straight to point आज की वीडियो में it is all about how to manage your time. How to manage your time regarding studies FSM CMA formulas. Here for you a small tip. Mini notes. You can carry and write FSM and CMA formulas on them and carry along with you wherever you go, for morning jog, for walking, wherever you go on functions, outings, etc. And let me show you mini notes. You can have look on them and see such mini notes. Ignore handwriting, and guys, it's a wonderful hack for managing your time and revising your formulas for CS executive students. Not only CS executive students, CS CET जो भी मतलब professional students भी follow कर सकते हैं this tip. If you like this content, it is helpful for you. If you find this helpful, then please like, subscribe and support. Thank you and have a wonderful day.